Okay guys, hello to the camera.
Hello! Crazy.
So I have here a prediction of what
King.
is the card you're going to
Get.
see
Out.
within this deck of cards. Okay? I'm going to predict that's King of Clubs. Okay? All you have to do is let your eyes see what is in the inside. I'm going to flip the card. Did you see any card in your mind?
No.
Again.
Yes. I saw him.
Queen of Diamonds. Queen of Diamonds.
What is your prediction? What is the card you see inside the deck?
Queen of Diamonds.
King of clubs.
King of Clubs. That's in the center, right?
Yes.
There's the King of Clubs.
Oh my head.
That's right.
It's very simple, you know.
Kaya ang tao na dinimay. Tinit dia ni.
Action. Camera.
Hello.
Pahan magic. Pagkari ka mo sa likod. Okay.
Excuse din niya, imutin.
Piece of coin.
Yes.
Hoy, sabak mo. Paano mo dyan pagkuhan ni Carlos Sato?
Oo, hindi ko ni Carlos Sato.
Okay. Check the coin.
Yes, that's
Coins.
Sabi ka mo?
May kuhaan ko na ka ng coin para ako na.
Coin is locked. It's locked inside the
Paper? The copper.
Ice.
inside the paper. Right?
Gagi.
Where's the magic one?
Oh, tagihoyag ng piso!
Jato na piso.
Tagihoyag na bay. At turaw! Wala na o. Daan na bay. No. Nawayan na! No.
Three. Check this out.
Waya na. Nagpala.
Wala kang kamot na sa bulsa! Diyan na sa bulsa! Diyan na magpakanang! Pagpagaon! Sugsug diretso!
Nagpala.